To add an EBT card to Amazon Prime, follow these steps. First, you need to check if Amazon accepts EBT cards in your area, as this service is not available everywhere. You can do this by visiting the Amazon website and looking for the EBT option under Payment Methods. Once you have confirmed that Amazon accepts EBT cards in your area, sign in to your Amazon account. If you do not have an Amazon account, create one and then sign in. Navigate to the Account and List section. Then click on Payment Options. Click on Add a Payment Method and select the option to add an EBT card. You will be prompted to enter your EBT card details, including the card number and expiration date. Enter the details carefully and make sure they are accurate. After entering your EBT card details, you will be asked to confirm your address. This is to ensure that you are eligible for the Amazon program that accepts EBT cards. Enter your address and confirm that it is correct. Once you have added your EBT card and confirmed your address, you can start using it to make purchases on Amazon. Keep in mind that you can only use your EBT card to purchase eligible items, such as groceries and household essentials. To get the most out of using your EBT card on Amazon, make sure to check the eligibility of items before making a purchase. You can do this by looking for the EBT eligible label on the product page. Also, be aware of any additional fees that may apply to your purchases, such as shipping fees. By following these steps, you can easily add your EBT card to Amazon Prime and start making purchases online. This can be a convenient way to shop for essentials from the comfort of your own home, and can help you to budget and manage your EBT benefits more effectively.